2 days pre-op of my surgery. I was supposed to have my right tooth, my right hip replaced. I'm on my way to work. 7:22, Wednesday morning, November 19th. Coming from La Vista, Nebraska, suburb of Omaha. Mike and Cruising Cruzy. Right hip replacement, Friday morning. I gotta be there at 5:30. I'm a nervous wreck. All I keep thinking about is infection, dislocation. Not so much the dislocation, more the infection part. The surgery part, like I'll go to bed at 10 o'clock. Go to the bathroom about 1:32. Sleep hard, wake up at 4. Like today I was up at 4:30. Couldn't go back to sleep. All I thought about is that surgery. I had my total left hip. I don't know why I keep saying total left hip. But I had my left hip, well they call it total, but you can have partial. The whole hip replaced. Left side, July 29th, 2022. Same thing, nervous wreck. No matter what surgery I'm gonna go through. Most people are always gonna worry about it. If you don't, you're crazy. It's not like you're going and having dental work done. Like that tooth you see missing, I had to get pulled because it was infected. After the last hip was replaced, the dentist went through and cut me open and glued 5 cadaver chunks of cadaver bone in there to build up the bone to save my teeth. Fast forward, that was last summer, so I made it 2 years after the surgery. And then she said I had to pull this tooth after doing all that work. So, yeah, if you guys had a hip replaced, knee replaced, shoulder replaced, leave a comment. Were you nervous? I mean, it's only human nature to be scared of things like this. Not knowing the unknown, even though I had the left one. It happens every day, but you still don't know. I mean, you always hear the stories of the, oh my God, I got infected, they had to pull the hip out, and then I lay there for 3 months. I don't want to do that. I want to be more active. I would just sit there and eat. Like I did last time. I was supposed to be out for 3 months. I went back after 2 months. Which is my job where I'm in auto field, where it's trip hazard. Mechanics just throw their tools everywhere. Rotors and brake pads are everywhere. Very unsafe, especially if you had a hip replaced, where if you trip and you could just rip it out of the socket. So I don't know. I'm freaking out, not getting no sleep. Definitely don't want to go to work today or tomorrow. But I tell you what, Friday I'd be rain to go to work instead of going and have the surgery done. I don't know. Let me know. Were you scared? Were you not scared? It's a drizzly day today. It's only supposed to be like 52 here in Nebraska. It's definitely an indoor type of day.